Good morning everybody and welcome to Multiple Sequence Alignment second session, part 2 of loading your own sequences into Jalview. Loading sequence in Jalview has many ways to do it. This includes drag and drop from a file, from a URL, cut or copy and paste from a public database. Jalview has many formats that can be accepted. This includes FASTA, cluster, BFAM and others. And most of these are very popular format in bioinformatics. So if you would like to put sequences from file, you can just choose file menu and then choose input alignment, and you can choose option from a file. This also can be done by using Ctrl O. In this way you can choose the file that you are looking for, and this file should be a text file that contains sequences in FASTA format or any accepted format for Jalview program. The other way is by drag and drop. If you have the file that contains your sequences in the right format, you can just drag it and drop it in the window like this, and this will allow the file containing the sequences to be included in the Jalview window. This of course doesn't mean that any text file can be used. For example, document file that is created by Microsoft Word are not accepted. Only text file. Also you can load using the via URL. If you have a URL and this URL having an alignment or sequences, you can just press file menu and choose input file and use from URL. When you choose from URL, this will bring the URL that containing the sequences in the FASTA format, as shown in the screen. As you can see that the file, all the sequences have transferred from the URL to the Jalview program by using this URL. There is another way by using text box, and this could include copy and paste or cut and paste. It's a very simple way to copy your sequences in the FASTA format and or other accepted format and put it in a text box and then put it inside the program. This can be done by choosing the file menu, input alignment, and then you can use text box. When you use text box, this will allow you to copy and paste inside this text box all the sequence that you need in FASTA format or other accepted format. You can either copy and paste or cut and paste. In both cases, the copy and paste, you can just press new window, and when you press new window, all the alignment will be transferred to the Jalview window. You can also add more sequences into your alignment. If you already have an alignment inside the alignment window in Jalview, you can drag and drop many more sequences you need to add it to your alignment to be included in the analysis, as shown in the screen. You can also get more sequences by accessing public databases. From a public database, for example, you can fetch the sequences. Also, Jalview has this capability. From the file menu, you can fetch sequence and then choose the database you would like to fetch sequences from. And this includes Ensemble, Imble, and BDB and other databases. Most of these databases are housed in European Bioinformatics Institute, and this includes, as we said, Imble, Uniprot, BFAM, RFAM, BDB, and Ensemble. It's very easy to do this by also choosing the file menu, and after that putting your sequence inside the window and then choose the database. You can also include more than one sequence, not just one, and then when you press OK, this will fetch all the sequence that you need inside the window and retrieve it inside the Jalview window. And we can see here that there is different databases is used for both files, one from BFAM and the other are from Uniprot. And this exercise that you should try on your own time, you should know how to load sequences into Jalview, and this includes using from file, from URL, and other methods. This should be very good training to be capable to get acquainted with all these methods of getting sequences in Jalview. Thank you for listening and hoping to see you in the next part.